Welcome to the CDBG-CV Round 2 application tutorial. This is part 1, getting started, of 2 parts, where I will show you how to create a membership login on the Vermont CDBG-CV website, how to access the application once you have created that login, once you've created an account with the system, and how to send in a technical assistance request if you are having any problems with the application process. In part 2, we will walk through the application itself, and I will show you what documents you might need, where to upload them, and how to fill out the fields for the application. So here you see the Vermont CDBG-CV homepage. We have all of the information about the program itself, along with our Help Center and the eligibility requirements for the program. The Help Center is where you can find all of the tutorials that we have created for the application process, including this one and the following part 2. But for creating a membership login, you will scroll down to find this Get Started button here. Simply click it, and you'll have this box pop up with Create Your Account. So the email that you provide here will be your username for the account to log back in, and it is also the email that you will have to associate with your application. So in the application itself, we ask for an email, and we ask that you use the same email for your account login and in the form. This allows us to save your application to the website so that you can come back to it whenever you would like. If you would like to save it and return to it to continue at a later date, or if we ask you to make an update, it will allow you to go back through this member login and access your application. It's very important that you use the same email throughout. And then simply use a password that works for you. And click Create Account. So after you click Create Account, you will be redirected to this page, which will inform you that a confirmation email will be sent to the email that you provided. And I have that right here from VT-CDBG-CV Round 2. So here you will either click the link here or click Confirm Your Email to confirm your email and lock in your account submission. We'll click Confirm Email. And then here you can click Edit Account Info or Back to Site. If you click Edit Account Info, you're brought to this page here where you can upload different identifying information, your first name, your last name, and if you would like your contact email to be different than your login email, then you can indicate as such. However, your login email, which is the email that you will have to use on your form, will stay the same. If you, however, click back to site, it will take you automatically to the application page, as you can see here. And this is page 1 that we will start walking through in part 2 of this tutorial, but for our intents and purposes here, I'm simply going to show you where and how to make a technical assistance request. So this blue box that you see here up above the application will float here the entirety of the time you are moving through the application. So if at any point you run into an issue, you can save the application and you can submit a technical assistance request, and we will be able to help you with whatever situation you're dealing with. So if you click this, this is what you see. You'll simply fill out your first and last name, your email address that we'd like to contact you, that you'd like us to contact you through, and your county. The county is very important. We would like you to fill out the county that your business is associated with. This way, we can properly direct you to one of the 2 organizations that will be helping sole proprietors through the application process. And we would like to have those people directed to the correct organizations. So if your business is in Wyndham, then indicate Wyndham. If it is in orange, then indicate as such. And simply type in a little message about whatever you might be running into. Let's say document merging. And we also have a predefined list of things that you can request here. Select any or all that apply. So let's say perhaps other and PDF creation. And then when you click submit, we will receive an email and we will be able to reach out to you to walk you through whatever portion of the application you might require assistance for. So to log back in, if at any point you want to start your application after you've created your membership portal, or you have saved your application and you would like to return, simply go to the home page. And on the home page, you will see this little login button up here at the header. Simply click that, and it will ask you for the email you provided and your password, and you will be able to log back in. And if you have any questions, please feel free, again, to reach out to the emails that we provide at the bottom of the home page. Thank you.